Hey guys, here in Malibu Country Mart. You know, the last couple times that Nurse brought us here, the cops have just been screwing us over.
They sure have. Unbelievable.
They block off all of the entrances. It says like private property, but there's still like a bunch of cars lined up over here.
They're trying to figure out what to do.
Yeah, they don't know what to do. And I think that like if you pull up, there's like a bunch of cars that'll come by too because they think it's still open. So we'll see what we see. Just died. BMWs. All of a sudden, dude. Yeah. Porsche GT just shows up. Send it! Oh, there's a cop. What do they call that? The Dying Dragon? Yeah. If you guys didn't know, Nate Vlog's favorite car is those two Lotuses over there.
Hold on, I never said this.
And they're gonna be in his 8's garage.
This never happened.
It's happening. You gotta go, and it turned off earlier, but sheesh.
Sorry. Oh, he's going in there.
Oh, he's going shopping.
I wonder what the cops are gonna say.
They're gonna be like, no Raris.
Can't be having that, huh?
Only Prius is allowed in here. No parking.
You see that? He's all mad, huh?
You see like the BMW squad right now pulling up. Yeah. You just move it.
Oh, they're moving it. Look at that, huh?
How's it going, man? Cool car. Oh, classic, classic. Classic, classic, classic.
That's a C8. I didn't know, dude. That's a C8 right there.
8's garage.
That's my dream car right here. C8.
Perfect, look at that. Got the red brakes.
That guy's got the right idea. He just moved the sign.
Bigger wing though.
Yeah. Oh, here we go. GT3 RSs. Yeah.
I got him there.
Even though it's kind of technically closed, people are finding a way to get in. There's still kind of a show going on, and then lots of cars driving by, of course, lots of cars. Maybe, I think he's Armenian. Alright, all it says is no fun, no fun, you can't have fun, no fun, please no fun.
Cease and desist order for all unpermitted.
How can they do this to us? Here, wait, can you take a picture of me for thumbnail?
So Nathan coined this the Dogecoin, so it has a dog in the front.
Yeah.
Hey, what's up, guys? This is a rare sighting I'm driving. Also, we haven't had our car, so we've been driving a truck. So it feels good to drive a smaller car again. Yes, sir. Wow, feels good to turn.
Out here on Sunset Boulevard, driving.
Yep, Nurse on the cameras.
Yeah.
What a strange day.
Nate in the back.
Guys, we are in Beverly Hills now. It is 10 o'clock, so not too busy. Places are starting to open up. Here Gagosian, guys. There's Armos over here. Nice. So this Chick-fil-A, oh not Chick-fil-A, what am I saying? This Cheesecake Factory over here. We came here one time with Toddy, and like right as the server was coming, she's like, why is it taking so long? So I think she heard it, and then Toddy said, oh, you look tired, and the girl got mad. She got offended. She's like, wow, what did she say? She's like, you're saying I don't look good or something? It's pretty crazy. Oh, check out this Marcello over here. The Marcello mobile. Rodeo Drive, kind of dead. Stores aren't open, but later on today for sure, there's gonna be some Koenigsegg's out here. There's gonna be some babes out here. Where is it? Oh, there is Gucci. There's no line at Gucci.
Yeah, so ride with Ryan. Ride with Ryan.
I told you, dude. Dude, it's a trap. Look at his cameras. No matter what you do, you're gonna get caught here.
What is it for?
Oh, bye, Nathan. Later. I was closing it.
Where were you?